Hi, this is Hira Shah, playing different roles in my family as an elder daughter, a sister, and a fiance to an amazing boyfriend, HR professional turned profit scale-up coach, single-handedly set up sales and support teams of multiple BFSI companies, trained over 200 entrepreneurs of the country in a special Government of India training program. I am on a mission to help 1 million entrepreneurs under 45 achieve 10x profit using intuition, and I'm the founding partner of the 10x Profit Hub. So, we have been talking a lot about intuition, and some of us may also have certain different ideas about intuition, whether intuition is part of some other emotions, whether intuition is gut feeling, because some of us also know about gut feelings, and we do keep talking about gut feelings frequently. So today we are going to discuss whether intuition is a gut feeling. So basically, intuitions has many names. Like we call it by many different names. We call it a sixth sense. Why we call intuition as a sixth sense is because it is something which is experienced beyond the five senses. It is something which happens beyond the realm of the five senses. It is a process, an activity that occurs in the right part of the brain. It happens in the brain, but it happens with unconscious reasoning. So basically, when intuition happens, we are not able to consciously explain the feeling. So it happens without conscious reasoning. So that's why we call it a sixth sense. It is a sense which is beyond the other senses. So we call it a sixth sense. We call it inner voice. Sometimes you call it in simple terms as this is an inner voice. My heart or my soul or my inner voice is telling me this, is guiding me towards this. It is telling me to do this or not to do this. So we may also call it as an inner voice. There is something else also, which I will explain to you later in the later part of the video. Let's progress to the signs of intuition. So, how do we know that intuition is talking to us, intuition is telling us something? What are the typical signs that helps us to recognize intuition? So, intuition may occur, or you may think that intuition is trying to tell you something when you hear a calm voice in your ears. It just comes all of a sudden. A calm voice tries to tell you something. It's basically your inner voice, it's basically your intuition talking to you, trying to tell you something. It can also be an image flashing in your mind, an image which suddenly comes in front of your mind, and you may think, what image is this? You may start thinking that what is this that my intuition is trying to tell me? So it can be an image which flashes in your mind, which points you to something, it's trying to tell you something. It can also be when a feeling of deja vu comes to you. It can be also when a feeling of deja vu comes to you, you think that something that you've experienced in the past. This is the same situation, a similar situation. You get that kind of feeling that this I have definitely experienced before. You have that conviction in your mind that this I have experienced before. It's a feeling of deja vu. It's happened to you probably in a past lifetime, or it's happened to you in this lifetime, but many, many years back. And probably you do not have conscious recall of that, a conscious reckoning or a reasoning of that. But it's a feeling of deja vu, and you think that this has definitely happened to me in the past, this situation has happened to me in the past, and this particular setting. I've been to this place in the past, and the same variables or the same atmosphere or the same people have been around. A very strong feeling of deja vu. It can also be when you are dreaming about a current situation in the past. So basically, something which is going to happen, you are already dreaming about it. So, say for example, some situation is going to happen tomorrow or in a few days' time, and you get a dream about it beforehand, and that situation happens. So, intuition talks to you in that way as well, by giving you a premonition, by giving you a dream of what is going to happen in the future. It is also a calm feeling in the body, especially in the gut. The gut is where it's a part of your stomach. And when you talk about a feeling in the gut, sometimes you get a feeling, sometimes you get a sensation in your gut. So intuition essentially is a calm feeling in your entire body, especially in your gut. You have a calm feeling. You feel about something, you feel about a certain situation, but it is a calm feeling. So these are the signs of intuition that we talked about. Now let's talk about a little bit about intuition and gut feeling. Now intuition and gut feeling have similar meanings. Both are similar, but gut feeling essentially is pointing you towards certain symptoms, and it is warning you beforehand about a certain danger. And it is necessary for us to understand about certain situations, certain symptoms. It is pointing towards that. Now let's understand what are those situations. So gut feelings are mostly associated with situations wherein you sense an immediate or a future danger. You sense a danger that probably you or a loved one is in danger. It can be any sort of danger. It can be probably it can be a small danger, a small risk, or it can be something related to criticality of life as well. So it is associated with some kind of danger. You get a gut feeling that I might be putting myself at a risk or in danger if so and so thing happens, or if I do certain thing. It can also be a feeling when you do not feel very comfortable about your surroundings. It's a warning of something which is not right around us. So you feel that you are in a certain atmosphere, you're sitting in a place, a particular place, and you are sensing a danger. You're sitting in a restaurant, say for example, or you are visiting a place where you don't frequently visit, or you are in a city or a town which is outside of your hometown, and you're visiting that place for the first time. So you sense a kind of warning that something is not right around you in your immediate surroundings. It can be any place. It can be a familiar place. It can be a non-familiar place. It can be a place where you've not been to, or it can be your regular, frequently visited place. But you sense that there is some kind of warning that your intuition is giving you, that your gut feeling is giving you, that something is not right. And sometimes you also get a very weird feeling about something negative happening around you. So you get a gut feeling that you are in a particular atmosphere. Like, say, for example, you're sitting in a restaurant and the people sitting around you, you're not getting a good feeling, you're not getting good vibe, you're getting a negative feeling that some kind of negativity is happening, something negative is happening around you. So that is also a sign of the gut feeling. So today we necessarily talked about is intuition a gut feeling, and I told you that both are similar in meaning. However, gut feelings point you to particular dangers or particular warning signs around you, and you get an uneasy feeling in your gut, in your stomach. You feel something is not right, whereas intuition is a kind of a calm feeling. So that is a minor difference that you can understand and relate to. So I'm sure you've liked this video. Do do press the like button and like our video, and do join our VIP private Telegram group and VIP private Telegram channel. And keep listening to your intuition and gut feeling. See you next time. Bye.